मेरे प्यारे बच्चों नमस्ते। टुडे I am going to read your class 5 English book Marigold, Unit 9, first part. Song of People. Song of People. Everybody seems to be in such a hurry these days. I wonder why. Everyone is in a hurry. Everybody is running. Why? No one knows. So open your book and start reading with me. Come on. Sing a song of people. Sing a song of people. Please read it with me. Walking fast or slow? Walking fast or slow? People in the city, up and down they go, up and down they go. People on the sidewalk, people on the sidewalk, people on the bus, people on the bus. People passing in back and front of us, in back and front of us. People on the subway, underneath the ground. Underneath the ground, people riding taxis, round and round and round. What? Round and round and round. People with their hats on. People with their hats on, going in the doors, People with umbrellas, when it rains and pours, People in tall buildings, and in stores below, riding elevators, up and down they go, People walking singly, people in a crowd, people saying nothing, and people talking loud, people laughing, smiling, grumpy people too, people who just hurry and never look at you, Sing a song of people. Sing a song of people who like to come and go. Who like to come and go. Sing of city people. Sing of city people. You see, but never know. You see, but never know. My ladies, please read every chapter I am teaching you again and again. Make a video, make videos and send it to me so that I can check what are you doing. Namaste. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Hindustan.